Check your notification on another device. Facebook two-factor authentication problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the number one solution is, what you will have to do is go to your primary device and then open Facebook. Then go to its notification and see if there is a notification about requesting or sign in. If there is, simply go go to its go to the notification and then give access. So but if you do not have access to the primary phone, what you will have to do is simply open your preferred, and now what you will have to do is simply search for recover your account. If you cannot get access to your email or your phone number for two factor authentication, simply go to recover and then recover your account if you can't log in, and then simply go to reset your password and then follow all these instructions. Use your email credentials and also your password, and after that you will be able to change your password and reset your password. There are several other options as well. So if you do not have access to your email address on your account, go over here, and then as you can see, there is a note. If you have two-factor authentication set up for security reasons, you won't be able to use the same mobile phone that you use for two-factor authentication to reset your password. So you will have to learn how to add a different mobile number or email address to your account. Click on this highlighted section that suits the best for you, and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.